As even the best in the world can attest, the search for the perfect swing is a never-ending road with plenty of speed bumps along the way. Even Tiger Woods had enough swing trouble in 2004 to warrant a form slump. And others of the world's elite aren't without their own missed cuts each season. So when Luther Blacklock from Woburn in England unveiled this addition to the coaching world, some of the game's most famous coaches were ready to listen.
I think the breakthrough for us was when Butch Harmon, who's probably the world's #1 coach, saw it and wanted it. And he endorses it freely for us, and I'm proud to say that 5 other members of the Harmon family use it. And it's just very encouraging to find that the world's best coaches and the vocational teachers are drawn to this product, because whatever your teaching method, Explainer can work for that method. It is teacher agnostic.
The Explainer is an innovative approach to teaching the dynamics of the swing. And with Luther's position as a course professional at Woburn, it's not just a large number of professionals who've given their input.
And they've got weight shifts. It's the Woburn members I'm thankful for, because for the last 5 or 6 years, they've been my guinea pigs. I've tried it out with them first.
We got Luther to explain the basic principles at work.
Well, I suppose the best way to think of Explainer as the training wheels for a bicycle. You know, when I was a small child, my dad held the back of the saddle or he gave me training wheels, and I wobbled around the garden, but eventually I found the feeling of balance. And it's the same with Explainer. But the really fun thing for me as a teacher is it reduces the swing to just 2 movements. Once you've got good grip and good posture, in 20 minutes or so, I can give a novice the feeling of a swing. And I think so often we think of the golf swing as a series of positions. And there were no positions until somebody photographed a movement. So I like my pupils to move. So here is 2/3 of the swing, the arms and the shoulders moving the power roller and the hands working nice and freely. And then once we've understood that, we add wrist hinge. Once you've worked on the shoulder turn, back and through, all you have to do is to hinge the wrists, and it's like a mixing bowl. The Explainer mixes the 2 ingredients of shoulder and wrist into one flowing movement. The plane fin of the Explainer comes into its own. Throughout history, no matter what length of swing, great players have the shaft in their best swing plane. John Daly might leave the plane, but even he will return to that plane in the downswing. So no matter what length of club, the plane fin sets the roller in the plane. And it's a reference point. You can feel it with your eyes shut, both going back and going through. You don't have to look. You can feel it over, under, and on. And it's quite remarkable. After just 5 or 6 minutes, if you then hit golf ball straight away, you'll always find that your muscles will remember the feeling of the machine, and you'll hit some dramatically good shots in a very short space of time.
And more of the world's top coaches continue to agree with the results of the Explainer.
I think it's great. It does what I want people to do. It's more than the spoken word, it's the feel, it's the sensation. You know, the old brain's taking all those memories in of how you get in the right position rather than somebody telling you. So it actually enhances learning much, much quicker.
But before you rush out to buy your model at around $1,000 US, you may like to wait until one arrives at your local golf academy. Judging by the reactions, it should be sooner rather than later.
In plane.